Ever wondered why packing and moving seem like a Herculean task? It's because it's not just about stuffing things into boxes. It's an art, a skill, a strategy game that requires careful planning and execution. But fret not, this video unfolds the secrets to mastering the art of packing and moving. Step 1. Don't fall prey to the allure of expensive boxes at the storage office. Instead, venture out into local stores and supermarkets. You'll find boxes aplenty, free and ready to be your storage saviors. Step 2. Get creative with your storage space. Stand couches and mattresses upright, protected by plastic covers. But remember, color bleeding is real. Keep your belongings away from anything that might stain them. Step 3. Disassemble your furniture and wrap them in bubble wrap. Dressers can be used to store lightweight items. Just make sure the drawers are secured. Lamp bases and television sets need special care. Wrap them in bubble wrap or moving blankets. Mirrors and artwork need to stand upright, not laid flat. Use boxes as their stands. Any valuable items should be wrapped in bubble wrap and clearly marked as fragile. Don't underestimate the power of pallets or sturdy planks. They provide a great defense against any potential water damage. Line your storage space with plastic before you start moving in your belongings. All furniture needs to be wrapped in plastic covers or moving blankets. This protects them from dust and scratches. Fill your boxes to the brim, but don't overstuff them. Use packing paper to fill any gaps and make sure to label your boxes clearly. Books need to be packed flat in small boxes to protect their spines. Heavy items should be packed first and close to the cab for balance. Inside your storage space, use tarps as floor protectors and moisture absorbers as your silent protectors. Air fresheners and deodorizers can help keep the air fresh and pleasant. Place the largest and heaviest items first, against the walls. Make sure to leave a central path for easy access to all your items. Remember, the key to successful packing and moving is strategic planning. Break down bulky furniture to save space and stand them tall, leaving room for smaller items if possible. So there you have it, your guide to conquering the cardboard caverns. Follow these steps and you'll be a packing pro in no time.